Hello everyone, so we are on the page of block practice area, and today we shall try to see how to make up the blocks as a manager. So first what should we do is to turn editing on, then go on the left and we'll see the sign of plus and click here. And here we'll see some blocks to add. Let's take any of them, for example, course contents. So the right side, this is the side of manager, and we have the block of table contents here and instructions. So the next, let's try to add something else. For example, courses. And here we have the block of courses and the name of my blocks, my courses which I am in. So and there is also the button which can just move the blocks. So if we click on it and hold it, and then we can change their places. So let it be the first my courses, and the second block is table of contents. Then if we as it was said that we have to delete everything, so this is the button where we can delete, and then the message of confirmation, we click yes. Then the same will be with the table of contents. Delete and confirmation. So and the button of turn editing off. So we are on the first page where we have started our video. Thank you.